Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Going to do a quick video going over the top 3 plays I am seeing for tomorrow, September 15th. First one here, we got NRBO. This thing has taken off recently, going from just under 10 to 65-ish, and now we're on the backside. So as usual, we're going to look for a multi-day bounce. I know it's a little bit out of our price range, kind of annoying. This thing's already bouncing nicely here after hours. Um, so we'll see how this sets up for tomorrow. But this is going to be one of my main watches as I'm really liking this pattern. It's one of my favorite plays and it qualifies for it. So a lot of eyes are going to be on this and I want to be part of it if it's going to bounce. Next up, we got SPRO. Another possible multi-day bounce, still fading. Had a nice push from 70 cents or so into the 190s area and just fade, fade, fade ever since then. So keep an eye on the failure to keep fading and start bottoming out, breaking to new highs. Good example would be ATXG, how this thing completely failed to break down. And when it reclaimed here, broke high a day, volume picked up. That resulted in shorts locking in their profits. So SPRO, another possible multi-day bounce like NRBO. Lastly here, PIXY. PIXY here, possible multi-day bounce again. We already had this first initial move and it ran over 150%. So I'm thinking we might have a new fresh batch of shorts in this on this backside. So look for that failure to break down, for that momentum shift, so you could get a multi-day bounce. We saw BF, what was it? 1 second. BIAF. That was another one from today. This one was a little tricky. It did do most of the move pre-market, so there really wasn't a whole ton left on the bone during the hours, but market hours. But that's the pattern that we're really looking for. Just the bounce, and if it does really overextend, we're done. Like, we're not forcing this play. This is something that on average does spike about 30%. It can head higher. Gauge the momentum if it can head higher, but when you're getting this exhaustion pre-market and it's just not sustaining itself with resistance overhead in the mid sixes, 7-ish area, could be an area where it'll have some trouble. So um, I guess those are the top 3 plays. They're all multi-day bounces, something I've talked about many times. If you want to just go back on previous video lessons, probably the past 2 months I've talked about this pattern the most. It's been in play a lot. It's been making me most of my money. It's fun. It's my style of trading, and yeah. So I guess that's it. Those are the top 3 plays. Hope that was useful. Watch this is already on Twitter if you want to check the whole thing out. Besides that, we'll catch you guys later. Have a great one.